Okay, this is part 2. I'm not going outside because it's just raining tacos. If you were outside, you'll just be sucked in something. What is this? What is this sauce? I think it's really humid in Canada. Why is the water dripping? I don't know. What is getting better actually? What was this rain actually? That was so epic. No, I'm going back inside. I am now the Slumber's Chaser, so nope. And there's like a rain thing there. Holy moly, there's like a huge fog cloud thing, which just disappeared. I think I just heard thunder like a few seconds ago, but I think I was just hearing like a car sound or something. But it just turned good. You know how rain is actually made? It's made out of like the clouds with a lot of water. I'm not joking. It's called condensation. So when the weather is really humid, water comes in the clouds, and when the clouds have maximum full of water, it comes like this. But when they have low water, it's not like this. About like that. If the camera can see it, like those little raindrop things, those are rain actually coming from the ceiling. But holy moly, it's like flooding everywhere. There's other girls like this, just went inside I think. Okay, that was like this is what the part 2 and goodbye.